Now, if you know Lagos very well, you know that Lekki is the big man area in Lagos, and getting a piece of land, a reasonable piece of land with a good title, is very hard to find in Lekki. Today I welcome you to Whitegatehomes Estate Phase 2, located in Lafiaji town, Orchid Road, Chevron, Lagos, which is about 4 to 5 minutes drive from the Lekki Expressway. This property comes with a CofO and is currently selling for 45 million naira for a 600 square meter plot of land. Now, I'll advise you to get it now, because properties like this, lands like this, are hard to come by.